अपने शरीर पर पूरा नियंत्रण, सोल, बॉडी, माइंड का पूरा नियंत्रण एक बाथ टब के अंदर। मैं गर्मियों में भी जब नहाता हूँ ना तो मैं अपना गीजर ऑन करता हूँ, ठीक है, मगर आप सबको आजकल आर्टिक डिप दे रही हैं, आप सबको बर्फ में डाल रही हैं। टेल मी मोर अबाउट योर आर्टिक डिप. I'm so excited.
And if I tell you, are you willing to come for our next ice bath?
Oh my God, this is. मैं तो गर्मी में भी गीजर ऑन कर रहा हूँ, but
yeah. So,
what is going to happen?
I'll tell you. Number one, it's the new trend, and it's a new science that has been researched, where they tell you when you take your body into an extreme condition. So we are literally taking into a tub of ice.
Okay.
The first thing that happens is your brain goes into a fight and flight response.
Of course,
right?
It's a shock.
It's a shock to your brain.
Yeah.
And then we teach you certain breathwork techniques to stay in that condition. So we are actually training our brain how to be resilient.
Wow.
In adverse condition and शांत कैसे रहना है even जब बाहर हलचल हो रही है. That's the first thing that ice bath teaches us.
अपने शरीर पर पूरा नियंत्रण, सोल, बॉडी, माइंड का पूरा नियंत्रण एक बाथ टब के अंदर.
Yes.
It's sounding exciting. I
And
want
yes,
to be there.
I want to share my personal experience.
Okay.
Like my anger has gone down from a 10 on 10 to a 2 on 10.
You don't look like an angry person. Do you
No,
get
so
angry?
we all have anger with us.
मैं तो बहुत ज़्यादा
Right?
गुस्से वाला.
हम सब इंसान हैं, हम सबको गुस्सा आता है. But what I'm saying is हमारे जो reactions, जो एक trigger और reaction का जो space होता है ना, वो ice bath ने बहुत ही gap बना दिया है. So now, rather than reacting, there is a space where I have time to think, process and respond.
मेरे डैड ने अगर ये पॉडकास्ट देखा तो वो आपको पता क्या मैसेज करेंगे, इसको बर्फ के अंदर ही रखना.
तो फ्रिज में डाल देते हैं ना आपको अपने घर में. Right? The second biggest benefit of being in an ice bath is it produces 250% more dopamine in our brain.
Yeah, exciting.
And if you've heard of the chemical dopamine, it is one of the rewarding chemicals. So you just go into a high, and dopamine is an addictive chemical. So you get addicted to that good feeling in your body.
Okay.
So what people come back with the feedback after an ice bath or a couple of ice baths is they've started remaining calm internally. And the last benefit is for your physical health. It brings down inflammation.
Yes, that I have heard.
And it takes care of all your pains and aches.
Wow.
However, there are certain contraindications. So people with very high blood pressure or maybe with the pacemaker or some heart condition,
they shouldn't try
they
this.
shouldn't be trying this.
Of course. And where is all this happening?
At Golden Age Swara, at our center, we have ice bath sessions every Wednesday evening and on Sunday evening.
Wow.
Yeah.
And how long does one have to take that Arctic dip?
So for the first time, we recommend you are in ice between 3 and 5 minutes.
Okay.
But as you go and your resilience get better, so I can stay in an ice bath for 10 minutes now.
Wow.
Right? But the maximum that one must stay after practicing, slowly graduating, is not more than 15 minutes. Is what is recommended.
Am I allowed to have a vodka shot in between?
Oh, yes, you can. But you know what? The kind of dopamine effect an ice bath has, you come out feeling like you've had about 10 on the rocks vodka shots.
Oh my God, really?
It's that high.
Are you not excited, guys? I think I'm gonna sign up for an ice bath very, very soon.